Hey, Mr. Taylor, Chet Daniel here at Jimmy Brett Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram right here in beautiful Dublin, Georgia. Hey, I just wanted to take this opportunity to show you just how many rounds we have. So, hey, when you come in Saturday, you're going to have plenty to choose from. Got them all right here. Check them out. I don't know if you can tell, the sun is kind of blaring down here. So, but we have got a dually right here. That's a 3500. Got a 2500, and then just as far as the eye can see, pretty much got trucks, and more trucks. But hey, Mr. David, once again, Chet Daniel here with Jimmy Brett Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. Give me a call at the number below.